Hello everyone, and in today's video I will show you how to contact Emirates customer support. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your browser, and once you open your browser just type here customer support Emirates, and here you will find here in Google it will show you their number so that you can contact them. They are available 24/7, so you can talk to them anytime, and you can simply click on this link right here and see all the contact info according to which country you are in. So you just click on the link and it will redirect you to a website showing you all the contact methods that you can actually use inside your country. So here you have the live chat, the contact center, and more on the account, and you can even log in and use more and more contact methods. And that's pretty much it. Please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.